t-shirt from Hilco and a $25 gift card to See's Candy.
Ooh. Whoa, who doesn't eat candy?
White ticket. 616.
Yeah, damn alive, Brian, hooking me up.
616 022.
Anybody? Anybody?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go wide angle on this. Is that you, Michael Stoops?
No, it's not me.
Oh, okay.
No, it's not me. We got a camera here.
Oh, okay, all right.
616 022. Going once.
Is that you, Buford?
Oh.
Oh, go figure.
Let's
Huh?
go anchors away.
Go figure. I told you that was a lucky section over there. How about that? Wow.
Yeah, all the tickets are going down there.
See, I told you got the lucky section back there, huh?
Okay. Our next door prize from Dave's Trophies. He's trying to get you guys in practice to go to Sin City. We got a full set of poker chips, cards, dice,
Wow.
white ticket, 617-283. 617-283.
Wow, look at all the people here, huh? Wow, what a show, what a show. Uh-oh, I think we got somebody. Either he's faking us out or he's got the number. I think so.
I think he likes that walk of shame.
Wow. Wow, huh? Winner, winner. There goes Willie. Willie's Automotive, HP Automotive. He takes care of the Dano van and it performs spotlessly on the NorCal trip right there. Look at that. And not to play strip poker with either.
Okay, our next door prize. How about a $50 gift card to Buca La Papa?
Oh. Oh. Is that the way you say it?
Buca de Beppo. I don't eat there, so. To Buca.
I like it though, huh?
And you have to pronounce it before you can win it.
Do as I say, not as I do, huh?
White ticket, 685-307.
Buco de Papo.
I was doing it right last week. 685-307.
Incoming. Wow, he just came out of Costco. They got long reach with that microphone. Wow.
Okay, here we go. Another t-shirt from Hilco with a $25 gift card to See's Candy.
Dang.
When you redeem that See's gift card, you have to eat it over at Hilco Fastener Warehouse. That's the only... Billy told me that. I forgot to mention that on the first one. Okay, here we go for the t-shirt and the gift card. 616-854.
Anyone? Nothing?
Sure you don't have it, John?
What did I have to eat?
Willie might have it.
What did I have to eat?
Seas Candy.
Oh,
I think we got a winner here.
the guy needed.
Willie's Auto Service, Huntington Beach, California. Makes the Dano van keep going. How about that? Got a Hilco Faster shirt and gift certificate, Seas Candy. Wow, yeah, see? All right.
Okay.
What's the next one?
This next one is a free oil change at Willie's
Oh,
Automotive.
how about that? Hey, Willie.
White ticket 684-388. 684-388.
What up, man? Better late than not. Wow, look at that from the back row.
Pull another ticket for
Oh.
it.
And Willie's right over there. I think there's a good
Hey, Willie. Here comes your future oil change. Yeah, that'd be Willie right
Let's
here.
give away another oil change to Willie's Automotive. White ticket 684-539.
Ooh.
539, it's me.
684-539.
Anybody?
684-539 going once.
We got somebody brand new, first time here. No, Greg. No,
Well, you weren't.
no. This is the first time here, right?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, Dan told me that. Yeah. Dan, Jewel. How about that?
Congratulations, sir. I'm Willie. Here's my card.
I'm glad you didn't win. I didn't have to change your own oil.
We have a, we're going to put this. Okay, our next door prize, $50 gift card to Lucille's Barbecue.
Ooh, I hope you bought some.
684
Hope you bought some tickets.
550.
Oh, who's that? Somebody from the
Wait.
VIP. Would that be Pat? The one who made up the new VIP sign? Is she gonna take Dusky out to Lucille's, or is she gonna be doing
She's gonna take
the walk?
me.
684-550.
Nobody else is coming up. I think it's pretty legit. I don't see anybody else, so it must be. Uh-oh. Getting nervous here. Pressure mounts. Does she have the winning number or not? No, no. She doesn't. Oh, no.
Nice try, Pat.
Oh! Oh! Wow! That,
Tough crowd.
I'm glad I got that memory.
684-550.
Wow! Oh, back to back! Look at that!
We'll double check this.
Yeah. All right, damn. Oil change, Lucille. Get the car running smooth and get the tummy being filled.
And our final door prize tonight is this beautiful goodie bag from Solution Detail Supply. The McGuire's truck out there
Wow.
donated that to us. it looks like it might be expensive.
Mm.
To white ticket number 684-196. 684-196.
Whoever wins it needs to detail my sign.
This works on all cars except Buicks.
And especially 53 Buicks. Two-tone blue with straight 8 Buicks.
That's what the lady from the Dwyer's told me. It doesn't work on Buicks.
Damn, good thing I have a Chevy at home.
Wow, how about that? Cool.
It's all right. It is.
You detail my sign for it.
Hey, you two pose for a picture, yeah. How cool is that, huh? Yeah. Wow, walking away with a big goodie
all
bag.
these tickets are going back in.
And we're gonna do. Are we gonna do trophies next? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna end this, and we'll catch up with the trophy presentation and traditional raffle. Down live, Carl Jr. Classic Car Show, put on by the OC car guy Gary Brown.